Welcome to classes of St. Michael's Academy. This is the EVS class for 12th standard and we were doing the chapter Sustainable Development. In this chapter, we were discussing the Sustainable Development Goals in which we had already covered 12 of the Sustainable Development Goals, which is very important. And today we are going to discuss the 13th Sustainable Development Goal, which is climate action. It is adopted by the UNDP and it is one of the most important goals of sustainable development. There is no country that is not experiencing the drastic effects of climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions are more than 50% higher than in 1990. Global warming is causing long lasting changes to our climate system, which threatens irreversible consequences if we do not act. The annual average economic losses from climate related disasters are in hundreds of billions of dollars. This is not to mention the human impact of geophysical disasters, which are 91% climate related. Means all the geophysical disasters take place due to human causes, and which between 1998 and 2017 has already killed 1.3 million people, which is 13 lakhs people, and 4.4 billion injured, which is a huge amount. The goal aims to mobilize $100 billion of US annually by 2020 to address the needs of developing countries or underdeveloped countries to both adapt to climate change and invest in low carbon development. It means taking on such methods which do not involve the emission of carbon so much. Supporting vulnerable regions will directly contribute not only to goal 13, which is climate action, but also to the other sustainable development goals, which is why this goal is very important. These actions must also go hand in hand with efforts to integrate disaster risk measures, sustainable natural resources management, and human security into national development strategies. It is possible with strong political will, increased investment, and using existing technology to limit the increase in global temperature to 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. According to the recent data, sea levels have risen about 20 centimeter since 1880 and are projected to rise another 30 to 122 centimeter by the year 2100. It means that the glaciers of the poles are continuously melting, which is resulting in the rising of water of sea level, and they are melting because of global warming. As of 2017, humans are estimated to have caused approximately 1 degree Celsius of global warming above pre-industrial levels. The energy sector alone will create around 18 million more jobs by 2030, focused specially on sustainable energy. Bold climate action could trigger at least 26 trillion US dollars in economic benefits by 2030. However, with these advantages, the disadvantages are that the carbon emissions are increasing day by day. So, to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, global net CO2 emissions must drop by 45%, and between 2010 and 2030 and reach around net zero to by the year 2050. Climate pledges under the Paris Agreement cover only one third of the emissions reductions needed to keep the world below 2 degrees Celsius. We'll discuss the rest of the Sustainable Development Goals in the coming classes. If you have any doubts or queries, email me at my email ID, and any feedback should also be emailed in this email ID. Thank you.